This is Vinisha, and in today's video, we are going to see how to handle Chinese characters in a Boomi process. So here on my screen, I have a sample process. So firstly, in the message shape, I have placed a sample Chinese character data for testing purpose. So let me click on OK, and later on, I have a map shape. It's just a flat file to JSON map, which picks the Chinese character data, and then we are mapping it to a JSON profile. So let me go ahead and execute this process now. So this is a local atom which I'm using. So if you observe the output data here, so here, if you see, the data is not getting converted properly. Here you see the data is turning into some question marks, which is not right. Even if you observe here, so the Chinese data is read as question marks. So let's try to understand why this is happening and what can we do to fix this issue. So firstly, the character encoding or the character conversion depends on the file encoding property set on that particular runtime. So here I have used my local atom. So this is my local atom, and I'm on Windows. So if you see the character encoding property under the startup properties, it is currently set to Windows 1252. So that this is the correct default character encoding for a Windows atom. So let's go ahead and try to change this property to UTF-8 and then rerun the process and test the results. So here we have a file encoding property. So let's try to enter UTF-8 here and click on save. That is done, it will ask for the atom restart. So I'll restart it now so that this change gets into effect. So just give a moment, the atom. So the atom is restarting now. So the atom is back now. It's restarted. So let me just go ahead and refresh this page. And I will try to verify the character encoding property. So here, if you see, the default character encoding has been changed to UTF-8 now. So let's go ahead and retest this process. So the process is now successful. So if you see, the data is now coming as expected. Previously, we saw question mark kind of thing. So let's copy this data and try to translate it. So this Chinese to English translator online. So this is now translated to the appropriate, the text. So this is how we handle the character, encoding in Boomi. So UTF-8 works well with most of the character encoding. So if you're handling these kind of characters such as Chinese or Japanese or any other language, you can give a try by updating your character encoding to UTF-8. If not, you can as well use a data process shape. Let's say if you are receiving a non-UTF encoded file. So in that scenario, you can use the data process shape and try to explicitly perform the character encoding or decoding according to your requirement. So I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching.